Hello friends! Today we are here to introduce a special and practical section in TradingFinder indicators, which is the theme or specific template of each indicator for the MetaTrader 4 platform. Here, I will choose the super arrow indicator as an example, and by loading the indicator file onto the chart, I will run the indicator. In this section of the input, at the end, you can select the status of the theme or specific template of the indicator. In some indicators, you can see this theme section in the first row and change its settings. In the theme status, there are 4 modes available: Auto, Light, Dark, and Custom. By selecting the Auto option, only the candle colors change, with profit candles turning light green. Auto, profit candles, light green, bearish light red, light template, dark template, custom, keeps template, runs indicator. By selecting the Auto indicator, only the color of the candles changes, and profitable candles turn light green. Bearish candles change to light red. In the next section, selecting light applies a light template to the chart. Choosing dark applies a dark template, and custom keeps your template running the indicator. For example, I'll select the auto theme and apply it. The indicator is applied, and my template changes to auto mode, with candle colors changing to light green for profit and light red for bearish. For instance, if a dark template with a black background is applied, running the indicator with the auto theme keeps the black background, with profit candles turning light green and bearish candles light red. The indicator is applied. Auto mode changes candle colors to light green for profit and light red for bearish. With a dark template, the indicator keeps the black background while changing candle colors. Light theme mode changes the background to light, with profit candles in light green and bearish in light red, and applies the indicator. In the next section, if a dark template has been applied to your chart with a black background, it keeps black background, profit candles light green, bearish candles light red. Background changes to light, profit candles light green, bearish candles light red, indicator applied. Select dark option, dark template applied, background black, profit candles light green, bearish candles light red. The next section is the same as the light theme mode, where by selecting the light theme option, it applies a customized light template to your chart. Background change to light, profit candles light green, bearish light red. In the dark theme, selecting this applies a dark template, background turns black, with profit candles light green, bearish light red. In custom theme, selecting this keeps your template, runs indicator. Template remains fixed, only indicator applied if theme set to this mode. In the dark theme area, selecting this applies a dark template to the chart. Background turns black, profit candles light green, bearish candles light red. We have the custom theme option, which keeps your template, runs indicator. My template stays, indicator applied. If set to this mode, selecting custom template keeps my template, runs indicator. In the custom theme section, by selecting this option, it keeps your personalized template and only runs the indicator on the chart. Here, you can see that my template has remained fixed, and only the indicator has been applied to the chart, if my theme is set to this mode. By selecting the custom template, only the indicator runs on the chart. If you have selected auto, light, or dark modes, you can change the indicator colors, like making buy and sell signals blue. Set theme, auto, light, dark, buy blue, sell orange, confirm. If you have selected the 3 modes, auto, light, and dark, and you need to change the color of your indicator, for example, here I want to change the colors of the indicators and the buy and sell signals, making the buy signal blue and the sell signal orange. After that, I will click on confirm. Here, none of the colors change for me due to the specific auto, light, and dark templates. I change it to orange, and then I click confirm. Here the colors don't change due to templates. In custom mode, I change the buy signal to blue and sell signal to orange. After confirming, buy signals turn blue and sell signals orange. If I have selected the custom mode option, I change the buy signal color to blue and the sell signal color to orange, and I set the indicator's custom template to the custom mode. After that, I click Confirm, and here you can see that the buy signals have changed to blue, and the sell signals to orange, even if I'm on the dark template. I set the indicator's theme to custom mode. I change the profit signals to aqua blue and the bearish signals to yellow, and then I click Confirm. Here we see that the buy signals have changed to blue and the sell signals to yellow. When the light theme is chosen as the preferred option, we observe that the overall color scheme remains consistent and does not undergo any noticeable changes. This means that the background, text, and other visual elements retain their original hues and shades, ensuring a uniform appearance across the interface. Well, friends, we've reached the end of the tutorial on the theme or custom template of TradingFinder indicators. We would be happy if you could share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.